In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Display section. Following that, scroll down again and tap on Font Size. Lastly, swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview over here. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!